In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links to Canva. If you've ever wanted a word or phrase in your design to open a website, a form, or a document, this will make your projects far more interactive. It's perfect for digital resumes, media kits, portfolios, newsletters, and presentations. And the process is simple once you know exactly where to look. First, select the text you want to make clickable. Click into your text box and highlight the exact word or phrase you want people to click. You can drag your cursor over just a few words or highlight the entire line if you want the whole sentence to be linked. Take a second to be precise here. Avoid extra spaces before or after your selection so the link looks clean and behaves as expected. If you accidentally select the wrong part, just click away and reselect until it's right. Next, with your text highlighted, look up to the top toolbar and click the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. If you don't see it, double-check that your text is actually selected. The icon only becomes active when Canva recognizes that a text layer is highlighted. This icon is your doorway to adding interactivity. Once you click it, Canva opens a small field where your link will live. Now paste your link into the field that appears. Copy the full URL from your browser, then paste it directly into the box. Make sure it includes the beginning of the address, like HTTPS, so Canva knows it's a valid web link. Watch out for stray spaces at the start or end, and keep the link tidy to avoid broken clicks. When you're ready, confirm by pressing Enter or choosing the on-screen option to apply. That's it. Your selected text is now clickable. From here on, that linked text will behave like a button in formats that support interactivity, such as Canva presentations and exported PDFs. Static image formats like JPG or PNG won't preserve links, so plan your export accordingly if you need the link to work. For clarity and accessibility, consider styling your linked text so it looks clickable. An underline or a distinct color is a helpful visual cue for your viewers. And if you ever need to change the destination, repeat the same action, paste a new URL, and apply. You now know exactly how to add clickable links to Canva by highlighting your text, choosing the link icon, and pasting your URL. Keep your links relevant, concise, and clearly labeled, and your designs will guide your audience exactly where you want them to go.